Catch hazards early and fix them quickly. Keep every team member safe every single day. Discover how eAuditor audits and inspections make safety audits simpler, smarter, and actionable. Safety audit software helps plan checks, record results, fix issues, and track progress. It replaces paper forms with mobile tools for fast entry with photo capture. Instant scoring and reports provide clear visibility into what needs attention. Assign tasks, set deadlines, and track completion with proof. Use standardized templates and trend views for continuous improvement. A contractor left a ladder blocking an emergency exit unnoticed all day. A digital checklist flagged it immediately. It was fixed within minutes, adding a new checkpoint to prevent future oversight. This shows the power of structured safety checks. Digital tools transform reactive safety into proactive prevention. Safety audits cover critical areas like workplace hazards and equipment safety. They also include fire and emergency protocols, chemicals, and hazmat management. Housekeeping and training documentation are essential too. These checks ensure comprehensive safety across various industries. A thorough audit identifies risks and enhances safety measures. Paper and spreadsheets feel familiar but fall short in making safety preventive. Forms often get lost and lack evidence like photos. They're filled out late from memory, not in real time. Data remains siloed, complicating results sharing across teams. These limitations make safety reactive. eAuditor turns safety audits into a smooth digital experience. Start with industry-ready templates for various inspections. Inspectors enter findings from their phone, adding photos and notes. Managers can see everything in one place. eAuditor calculates scores instantly, showing what passed and needs improvement. Safety audit software turns everyday checks into structured practices. eAuditor helps your team focus on preventing harm, not just filling forms. Consistent audits and clear evidence lead to safer workplaces.